It's so hilarious. Okay.
I trust your balcony wholeheartedly. Best thing to do with the room, give it to me. Actually,
It landed right where you said, oh my god.
Right, let's try to do like a normal and for the camera.
Not into the pool just yet.
No, you can do that one. You know, oddly, if you move just fast enough, you can almost feel it trying to be an airplane. Just a little bit. Make sure not to hit your fireplace.
You want me to move it?
No,
No?
I didn't hit it last time.
Okay.
It was over here. So that could explain things. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead. It's been recording.
Okay.
It's almost disappointing.
Almost.
Almost.
I never remember that it shouldn't be flying at all. It's not half bad.
Nope. Wait. For comparison.
Well, I think it's conclusive. All we've done is ruin paper airplanes.